Good morning to the Philippine military and Philippine National Police. Please protect the President and the whole First Family, including the Cabinet Secretaries, especially the President and his family, including the First Lady and the first sons of the President. And first and foremost, please protect the democratic government of the Philippines and the democracy of this country against the intruder inside of the government. And please protect the democratic policy of this country